Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Honor View 20. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now click open. And now click this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Now you have to allow this app to draw over other apps and then click back and click start. And here is your ChatGPT widget and you can open him and tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.